The beeping sound you hear is my moisture sensor. And when the other company dried it, they didn't dry it. It's still wet. So they should have thrown away this carpet padding, the carpet, the tack strip, and this plywood subfloor, because the water got underneath it and it's contaminated. So because they didn't take care of it, we've been growing mold in here for the last 3 months. Now I've got to go through and do all the remediation and take it all out. So this piece of furniture was left on the wet carpet and now it's covered in mold. So this piece is going to need to be thrown away. It's completely damaged. This piece of furniture is made out of particle board. It's got a painted veneer on it, but when the board gets wet, it swells up. That's what happened down here. So the sewage water that was sitting on the carpet got into the furniture, wicked its way up, ruined all these built-in cabinets, and now they need to be thrown away. And they still have contents in them. So everything in this room is going to be thrown away and trashed because the furniture is all ruined now. It's absorbed raw sewage.